So if you ever find that the grind is all the way down at number 0 but the granules are still too coarse, what you can do is just readjust this lever and just get a couple of notches back. So the first thing we need to do is make sure it is unlocked at the back. We're then going to take the hopper off and we're just going to undo these screws. So they don't need to come all the way out, just loosen them off. Once you've loosened them off, we're then going to turn it from lock to unlock and bring it out. From there, all we're going to do is unlock the spring, lift it out and move it round slightly. So this will now give us the ability to move the blades closer together and get a finer grind. Once we've done that, put the lid back on and make sure you turn it to lock, and then we'll just tighten these screws back up. From there, the hopper can slot into the groove, back on, the screen will come on, and then just ensure it is locked again at the back.